Jai Hind everyone, I am Rahul Verma. I belong to Raebareli, UP. So currently I am pursuing 11th and 12th foundation course from prestigious Centurion Defence Academy. I scored 89% in class 10th, and after reaching Centurion Defence Academy, I find myself ameliorating my studies. जब से मैं Centurion Defence Academy आया हूँ, मैंने अपने स्टडीज में काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट देखा है, क्योंकि यहाँ के जो टीचर्स हैं, जो फैकल्टी है, वो काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, जो कि बहुत सपोर्टिव भी है और बहुत ही नॉलेजेबल है. और I am a hostler, so currently I am living in Bravo 4. So being an hostler is quite living a very good and disciplined life. As I am a 11th class student, so I am the junior of the hostel, and I am living with seniors, so many seniors. So environment of the hostel is a very workaholic. When you live in a hostel, you get motivated by the surroundings and the people which live around you. So our routine starts in morning. I wake up at 6 a.m. and after that I go for a little bit exercise, which is organized by the academy. And after completing my exercise, I reach back to the academy. And after reaching to the academy, I get fresh. I go to bath and everything I need. And after that, our breakfast comes, and all the hostlers come together to have breakfast. Breakfast is very good. And after having all the things in the morning, हम लोग जाते हैं अपना स्टडी के लिए. तो मेरा जो स्टडी रूटीन इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 11 AM. Between 11 to 3 I study only theoretical subjects like physics and chemistry, because I find myself more effective during 11 to 3 on theory subjects. After completing my theory and in physics and chemistry, after 3 PM I get ready for the academy, and after dressing up at 3:30 I start moving towards the academy. As I am a defense aspirant, so I think that I should be fit and active, physically and mentally both. So I come academy by walking daily. Coming to the academy, and after the academy classes, I go to the hostel by walking. After reaching hostel, I have a rest of 1 hour, and I have a little bit conversation with my friend, which motivates me and gives me a feeling of joy. And at around 8 to 8:30 PM the dinner comes, and we have dinner. As I told, living in hostel is very good, and after having dinner I go for a little bit study to 9 to 11, and after that I check my schedule of the next day class, and after checking the schedule I plan the next day, and after that I go to bed and sleep. That's my daily routine. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.